welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I am showing you guys this wig here. I'm feeling the color, as you can obviously tell. So today's video is going to be on me toning and dyeing this hair. It came in a 613 shade, and this is the color we got after my toning process and my dyeing process. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then continue to watch. Before I jump into the video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload. I'm also going to throw in like a little bit of styling, so you'll see how I got this style as well. But yeah, let's jump into the video. So this has been on for about 45 minutes now. So the roots are a lot darker and they're not as blonde anymore, which will make laying this wig Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave me a thumbs up and a comment as well. And don't forget to subscribe. Follow my social media handles as well. They'll be in the description box as well as here on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.